Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have imported my videos and my photo to this CapCut project. And first of all, I'm going to drag this video to the track. I'm going to place this video to the main track. I'm just going to drag it like this. Okay, and if you want to add overlay, you just need to do the same step as before. You just need to drag the element to the timeline or to the track. I'm going to place this photo to the first layer, so we just need to drag it like this. And now this photo is already on the first layer, and for the second layer I'm going to add this video. We just need to drag it like this. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to add overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.